Hey friends, as you upgrade to Windows 11 23 H2 version, you will notice something that a new pane has been added in the settings menu, and this is the home tab. Now, a lot of users like it because it gives easy access to the applications, but if you wish to remove this home tab, then the procedure is through the registry editor. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command regedit and hit enter to open the registry editor window. Now in the registry editor window, we will navigate to the path HKey local machine software Microsoft Windows current version policies explorer. You don't need to remember this because I will mention it in the description section of this video. All you need to do is copy this path, paste it in the address bar of the registry editor window and hit enter. Now in the right pane, we will create a new value. So this value is named string page visibility. Right click in the open space, new string value and name it this. Then the value data, which is hide colon home, copy it, double click on this, change the value data to hide home and click on OK. Now when you reboot the system, the home page will be gone. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could improve it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.